Guys, here this is Justin back with another video we're gonna be doing I'm gonna showcase a firework. I'm gonna do we're gonna be doing some fireworks tonight, and I'm gonna do a video about that. So first firework we have are some sparklers. That's pretty cool. Yep. Then we got like a fountain, and it's Timmy. The good stuff, really. That's pretty cool too. Then we got some Black Cat, some firecrackers, $1. Then we got a really good stuff. We got the peace flower, pretty cool. Goes in here. Then for last but not least, we got a Saturn missiles. It has, how many shots does it have? It has about 50. 25 shots, I just counted. So this today will be it for this video, and we'll be doing another video tomorrow. So this is our fireworks we're going to be doing tonight. So see ya. Bye.